Good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to give you guys a review of a free-to-join system called the Stupid Simple System. Excuse me. Now, this system was created by LJ Aviles, right? Now, this system, as I said, is a free system to join, right? You don't have to buy any of the upgrades. They're all optional, but I would highly recommend, checking out some of the upgrades and seeing if it's something that you would be interested in joining. Now, again, this system is pretty simple. Once you join, I'll show you what everything looks like in a second, but once you join, you go to make sure you go over the step-by-step setup that he has laid out for you guys, because that way you'll get a better understanding of what the system, is about, how it can help you, and pretty much it's designed to help you understand the value of having a list, right? An email list. And it shows you step by step how you can go about doing that. All right. Now, as I said, the system is simple to join. Simple to join. I'm sorry. It's free to join. All you have to do is just click on the link in my description and check it out. Now, once you click on that link, you're going to land on the page. It's exactly what you see here. It's a 100% free system to help you make money online while I do all the work. How simple is that, guys? So, free system to help you make money online while the work is done for you, which is crazy, right? You have the welcome video here. We'll go down here and you see this 0, 0. So for someone who's looking to get started with an opportunity but doesn't have a lot of money or any money to invest, this is a great way for you to get started with a system that is going to help you make money online while the selling and telling is done for you, as long as you follow the instructions step by step. Okay, so you can see all this here, right? Let me help you make money online and make commissions like this. Join for free right now, and then you have the button there as well. Okay, you see screenshots here, proof of the earnings there, right? And it's a really simple system, right? You get your affiliate link, you send traffic, and you get paid on your referrals, upgrade, and traffic investments. Now, the upgrades and traffic investments vary in terms of commission percentage. So with the traffic packages, if anyone purchases a traffic package from your link, you get 25%, right? And any of the other upgrades that are in the back office, if anyone purchases any of those upgrades, you get 50% commission as well, which is pretty cool. Okay? All you're doing again is you're focusing on getting your link and driving traffic. And that's all you need to focus on. There are plenty of people out there who will be willing and jump on a chance to sign up for a free system like this, right? Once they see the upgrades and the value of the upgrades, not everyone will purchase an upgrade, but you do have people out there that will purchase an upgrade, right? It's all a matter of you focusing on driving traffic to your link, all right? Now, this is pretty much it for the sales page, okay? The exact same link that you'll get when you get your affiliate link, this will be the page that you'll get, all right? We'll go into the back office. Now, there is an option, hold on. Let me get comfortable here. There is an option in the system where you can become a VIP member for $7, which is what I did. That's why this says super simple. I get tongue-tied every time I try to say this. Stupid simple system VIP membership training. Now it's a $7 option, right? You're gonna want to upgrade on that because in addition to the system, you get a couple bonuses as well, which I'll go over in a second. But this is the premise of the system, right? Simple steps. So you're gonna have your step one, your welcome video, which you're definitely gonna want to take a look at that, right? And you can also get access to the free webinar to show you how to make $2,000 on autopilot. You have your step 2 here, how to earn passive income on demand. You can create your Systeme account for your free trial. Step 3, set up your landing page and offer, right? Everything is step by step, as I said, all laid out for you. Step 4, set up your autoresponder, emails you can use for your autoresponder, and you can buy a domain name from namecheap.com. Step 5, send traffic to build your list and make money. You have the traffic packages here. Once you click on that button, all the traffic packages will be laid out there. And remember, the traffic packages are 25% commissions to anyone who purchases a traffic package from you as well, from their back office. Okay. Step 6, monetize your email list daily. Right. Another optional upgrade here. Step 7. Right. So it's less 7 steps basically. Right. Everything is laid out for you. Once you click on the button, you'll get a better understanding of what each entails, what this high ticket program is. You could also join Elite and double your commissions as well. So everything is laid out for you step by step, so that way there's no one left behind. There's no, misunderstanding anything. You go through these steps over and over and over again as many times as you need. Now, quickly about the bonuses. These are, again, only for people who become VIP members, okay? You can join the coaching group. You get a Facebook traffic floodgates course, and you have a super affiliate hack course bonuses only. If you join for free, right, and you don't pay the $7 to become a VIP member, you will not get access to any of these things here, right? Those 3 bonuses, you'll not get access to them, okay? But again, this is something that you can join for free, guys. Everything is laid out for you step by step. There's no reason I can think of that someone wouldn't want to join this, right? Go through the training and take advantage of the optional upgrades, right? Because let's be honest, right? Everyone needs traffic for their business. You have an option to get traffic, right? And at the end of the day, traffic is the bloodline of business. So once you join something like this, you're going to want to run traffic to it. But your primary focus, and I'll say it again, your primary focus should be getting traffic to your affiliate link once you get it, okay? That's going to be the most important thing, because everything in itself, if you set this up the right way, if you import the landing pages the way that they're laid out for you in the instruction video, you get your free Systemic account, your free trial, right? And you set up your autoresponder, and you start sending traffic. That's all you need to focus on, okay? This system was pretty much designed to show you how to build an email list and how you can potentially earn passive income on autopilot. The upgrades are all optional. There are many marketers out there. There are many people out there that will take advantage of an upgrade. But at the end of the day, again, I'm not going to guarantee that, because I know I'm one of those people that takes advantage of the advantages of great upgrades when I see them. So the possibilities are there, but they're not guaranteed. But when it comes to people joining for free, there's a good chance that you'll get plenty of people to join for free because of an opportunity like this, because of the value that it can bring to you. And at the end of the day, it's all about, making money online. And this opportunity allows you to join for free, and make money at the same time. So this is something that I feel a lot of people should take advantage of. All right. So again, 7 steps. Each video breaks down, what you need to do when you join and become a member. All right. All laid out for you step by step. All of the upgrades are, at the bottom as well of the videos, the upgrade options, traffic options, bottom of the video as well. And that's really it, guys. Again, this program is extremely simple to promote. And once you go through the trainings in the back office, you're going to be pretty much set up. Everything is laid out for you step by step by step in a stupid, simple system, because it's really simple to set up and get started with. All right. Guys, have any questions, any comments or concerns, leave them in the comment section. And I do apologize again for my my tongue-tied behavior during this video. I do apologize for that. I just got tripped up by a couple of the words, but going forward, I'm pretty sure I'll do a better job with my next video. All right, guys, have a great evening. I will talk to you guys on another review video, or another opportunity video, or another tips video, whichever one comes first. All right, for now, guys, have a great evening, and I'll see you guys on the next one.